Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.